Hi, this is Anna with WTI. If you have a son who, one, loves Lego and two, loves Disney, this is the perfect pastime. So this is the iconic Up house from Disney. And the detail in this is absolutely incredible. They have not forgotten any of the details, especially for those who really like the movie. They're really going to appreciate this. They have the beautiful balloons right on the top of the house, which actually assemble really well together. And they even have the iconic figures, and the detail on them even comes down to the walker. One of the things that I really appreciated with this Lego set is that they even remembered the adventure book. Also, because this Lego set was created for the 100th Disney anniversary, it's a great collector's piece for young and for old. If you know adults that love Disney and love to, build things and create things, this would be a perfect gift for them. To me, as a mom, what I really enjoy is that it gives them hours of play. As you can see, the detail is incredible. And this is something I would highly recommend, the Disney Lego set for the Up movie. And that's my point of view.